So the first thing that I'm going to do, I've already placed, I'm a professor, already placed the hive to pick up the swarm. So I'm going to remove 4 of the frames.
They keep getting lower and lower into your box.
Yeah, they can smell already the hive. So now that I've got the 4 frames removed and the swarm is hanging right over the box, now get ready for this. I'm going to go like that. Now hopefully I've knocked the queen into the box. If I've knocked the queen into the box, all of the other bees are going to follow in there. And even if I haven't, she will probably go. So I'll replace the frames. And you can see that they're really not too upset. They've just found a new home. I will let them sort of go down into the frames. Oh, you can see them going in already. So I got the queen. Now their stingers are not in a position to do any harm to you right now. So you can actually put your hand right into them like this.
Oh dear goodness.
And they're not going to harm you.
But why? What are they full? Where did they get the honey from that they're so full?
Oh, so a regular beehive is 2 boxes like this, a brood chamber where they raise the baby bees. Then it's got honey supers on top, and you continue to put honey supers so that they have a place to put their honey. And if you don't, then they just tend to say, oh, we've got too many bees here, no place to put our winter stores. So the queen will make a new queen. She'll go out, a virgin queen, go out and mate, and then one of the queens will leave the hive with 50 to 75% of the hive and go and find some farmer's granary to hide in while they set up a new home. And then they call me and I have to get them out of the rafters. This is absolutely perfect. Couldn't be better. Yeah, this is just great. So now as they go in, I'm going to just leave this lid a little bit off. We'll just sweep a few of them in. I'll leave the lid a little bit off, and tomorrow evening I'll come and pick them up and take them away.
So they will all climb in there during the night?
If they're not in there, they won't be here. They'll have gone somewhere else.
Well.
So that's it, folks.
Jeepers. That is amazing.
See, they were starting to build comb up here. They were going to make this their home because obviously they didn't find an appropriate home.
No way!
Yeah.
Thank God they didn't stay. You have to imagine our surprise when they.
Oh yeah, isn't it wonderful? This is nature at its best.
I can't say that a lot of people have been able to witness something like this.
No.
I've taken
See
it.
that they're gradually crawling in, so I got the queen. So I have a new hive.
Can the queen not fly, or how
Oh,
far
she
can
flies.
Go? Like, so why isn't she taking off?
Oh, she wouldn't take off. If she took off, all the bees would go to their next location. So what they have been doing for the last day is sending scouts out to find a new location, and they haven't found a new one. If they'd found a new one, the whole swarm would just like that and be gone to the new place.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, see them going in? Just like a little trail.
They're just like ants.
Yeah. Now it's too bad that I dropped some at the back here, but they will gradually... Oh, they are crawling up and going in too. Good. Yeah. So by morning, theoretically, they'll all be in there.
Listen to the sound.
Yeah. So do I. Oh, they're just flying around. Don't ever swat at a bee. Like a bee is away from the hive. A bee, well, they die really soon. Today I got, right there, I got a sting right in my eyebrow. And it started. Yeah. Yeah. But I got at least 20 strings today. I was working without my bee clothes, and I dropped something, and then they go right after you. So I put in 30 new queens today from California. So we take a hive like this, and we split it in half, and leave the queen in one half, and put a new queen in the other half. And that way, I lost 600 hives over the winter this year due to this